Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and today I have a small AliExpress haul. So everything here just consists of some nail art. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you always so much for the love and support. I appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I have been so happy to just continue filming because of just how much love and appreciation that I get from everybody that supports my channel. So thank you so much to each and every one of you once again. And by the way, I hope you guys continue to enjoy these videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to get notified every single time I upload, and let's get right into this video. So I absolutely recommend whoever used to shop at AliExpress and stopped to definitely check it out now, because they do have something that you pay like $9.99 a month, and like you get free shipping after if you like buy more than 10 items, I believe, or a certain amount of items, you get free shipping and at a lower cost. Or you can just simply go on there, and now the shipping, you get everything within like a week and a half tops. The first thing that I have here, let me put the bag aside, are just a variety of bows. And I think this was like 99 cents or so. I will link everything down below in the description, everything that is still available. So I believe this was like $1, so it was definitely a really good deal. So I just got my little trinket dish out just to make it a little bit easier for you guys to see. So here we do have a variety of different bows. Some are see-through and others are fully opaque. So yeah, you know, just your standard bow, just like different styles. So this is definitely like an essential in your collection. And I did get this wax pencil that works really well through Shein. It's super long, you can see. Okay, excellent. So yeah, you got a variety of everything. This blue one is super pretty. Absolutely love this, and you'll never run out, literally. This is all you need. Nail art Kawaii cartoon chart. So here we have the flower-like little container. And if you don't open this the right way, they do just mix together. Okay, so now I know how to do it this way. So that's what they look like. So these are some of the ones it brings. I like the mask one. I think it would be so nice for like a Halloween look. So then here as well, we have another one of these assorted Kawaii charms. And these are sorted, so this is what they look like. So cute. I have a ton of these. Let me know if you guys enjoy using these as well, because I definitely do. Next, what we have here are some really cute teddy bear charms. And does it say how much it brings? No. It's okay. I think it brings probably like 10. Look how cute these are. So tiny and so adorable. I love these separate charms like that. Next, we have one of my favorites, which is like this seashell one. I've always wanted this, and I finally came to getting it. Just, I want you to see the detail in it. Oops. They literally look real. Look how beautiful these seashells are. They are so detailed. They feel just like a real seashell. They literally look and feel real. They're so, so nice. So cute. I'm really happy I got these. And then on this side we have some shells which are super pretty as well. We have starfish. Oh my goodness, I just literally broke it. So you do have to be careful with these because I literally just broke it. But it still looks cute. That's even more real broken. Okay. Yeah, you have to be careful with these because they do break. Actually, some of them do come broken. I guess to give it that realistic look. Maybe I didn't break it. Maybe just like that. So, so stunning. You can put this over the nail. Or you can encapsulate these seashells for sure. I mean the starfish. The seashells, that's my hat would have to go. These are so, so gorgeous. Let me know if you guys have shopped recently on AliExpress. I have fallen in love with AliExpress all over again. Here I have these really cute charms that are so unique. I've never seen these before. So I have to go ahead and take a look. Wow, these are so, so cute. So really pretty. Look how beautiful these are. It's like, wow, I absolutely love these charms. They are to die for. How cute are these? Literally, how adorable can these be? So, so beautiful. Absolutely love these. And I will start making nail looks really soon. I know somebody had asked me for like a, I think it was like a mermaid type of look. So I haven't forgotten about it. I've just been super excited to just show my latest stuff so I can really start going in with the nail tutorials. Here are just some really micro mini seashells in gold and silver along with starfish, which is so, so pretty. I love these for like nail looks and stuff. And then of course I am obsessed with these silicone molds. Here it also tells you how you can do them. And I also have some videos on my channel. that I was so happy when I saw how much love I got on those videos. People really enjoyed them. So this is what it looks like. So some little candies. I'm so excited to use these. I love these. And they're really inexpensive. And for those who haven't seen my other hauls, I will go ahead and show you some of the ones that I have made in previous videos. I literally fell in love with doing these. I thought they were so much fun, and a lot of people liked them and enjoyed them as much as I did, which was great. I mixed them. I did all types of stuff. So a Minnie Mouse. So cute. And I also did these like this as well. I'll show you guys the Look how cute. I love them. And I made some bunnies. You can definitely get more creative, but this is the way I made them. I made some little teddy bears, cupcakes. Definitely had a blast making these. And it's so worth it. So yeah, that's just my little box of DIY baby charms. Next, we have another Kawaii 70 piece. And this is what this looks like. This brings a nice variety. I think I purchased like a box of like some Kawaii charms. Or I don't remember if I purchased it made already or if I organized it. So I'm not sure, but I definitely want to show you guys. So I'm pretty sure I probably brought these now that I think about it. But look how many. I don't remember where I purchased this. Probably Amazon, but I am obsessed with these type of charms. And what I love about these, yeah, I purchased these for sure because I don't remember organizing, but these in particular, like Kurumi and like these translucent type of colors, gummy colors, I just had to. I thought it was so pretty. But yeah, you definitely get a variety, like everything. So I really like it. And you can get the chunkier ones as well. I got another one of these chunky charms. It has also some gems, rhinestones I see here. Just a variety of stuff. This was also like 99 cents, something like that. So let's see what we have here. Just have random stuff. We also have some really unique charms that I have never seen before. So of course I had to get some. It's like some little dolls or something, but they're so cute. I love the way that they look. I love their colored hair and aesthetic. It's really cute. We have some bear charms. I had shown some pink ones, and these are some ones. They're so cute. I love them, and I love how they have that iridescent finish. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in.